How to remove a screen door.
Locate your Phillips head screw, lefty-loosey to raise the wheel. Go until you can see the head of the screw almost poking out. Do the same thing on the other side. Get it almost out. Grab an old butter knife. Pick up. Look for your wheel. Pop it up. Then you're out. Do the same thing on the other side.
We're off. And you just reverse the whole thing. Put it back in the top.
Get your wheel back over. Up and in. Do the same thing on the other side. Tighten the wheel back down to raise it up. Close the gap. If it's too tight, loosen it a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. Righty-tighty. You'll raise it up a little bit. Good as new. Look at that. Ta-da!